Get that all right. All right, Mr. Fink. Good afternoon. Would you like to take a default?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do. Your Honor, this is an action for non-payment of rent. This defendant, Kevin Sherman, is in arrears $1,289.52 in rent. The taxable costs are $172. We request a default judgment in the amount of $1,461.52 with a writ to issue after the statutory period. This is a possession-only judgment, Your Honor.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default. For possession, redemption amount is in the amount requested with the writ to issue in 10 days.
Thank you.
And you know what I think? I think there's a sticker for this file went the same place as my staff. Because there is none.
You mean right here, Your Honor?
Just saying. All right. Court calls the case of Gulf Site Lake 1 and 2 versus BK, is it the area?
James Fink for the plaintiff.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. Your name?
Bacardi, all right.
All right. And what are we doing?
Well, he owes $2,941.17. He applied at DHS today, but not within, well, it's today 5 days.
He's passed it. Well, hold on a second. Did you pay them $1,000 today?
No, I didn't get to pay the $1,000. I'm supposed to get paid today for my job, so I was going to combine that and maybe get that in by the end of the day or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, but I did call Hawk, like how you told me, and they sent me to the ozone, and they sent me a list of numbers to contact, and I applied through DHS to get the assistance, and now it's just pending.
Did Hawk give you an appointment?
No, I didn't. I don't know.
When did you call them?
This morning,
Why'd you wait so long? I mean,
because I've been trying to catch up on certain bills, and I haven't even been at home like that. So, yeah, I just been trying to catch up on a lot of different things.
Your Honor, we're 5 weeks from the issuance of the summons.
I know. Sir, I'm going to issue a judgment finding no tribal issue after a hearing for the total amount of $29,41.17. And the writ would issue normally on the 2nd. I will have it issued that Friday, the 6th. So I'll give you a little bit of extra time, but you got to get it together. And this doesn't include what you're going to.
Yeah, I'm just super behind, especially having to pay a car out of the impound, and
No,
it's
I
been
get
a
it.
lot of stuff.
I get it, but it's
Yeah.
going to get even worse if you don't have a roof over your head.
That's totally true. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
I understand. Thank you.
And Your Honor, I'll just say, we looked at the ledger together. Up until this case, he'd been there 18 months and had never had a case filed on him,
On here.
which is, as the court knows, not something that everybody's able to achieve.
Right.
I hope you make it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, you enjoy your day.
Hello,
What's your name?
Latanya Powell.
All right. Where are we on this case? This is your motion.
I'm looking to see if this was a motion or a no writ without a hearing case.
I think it's a motion. I'm sure it's a motion.
I don't know that I have a motion, but She paid $538 after entry of the judgment. She's paid nothing since.
All right, what do you want to tell me? She had indicated her mother passed away. She was taking care of her mom, and then, well, why don't you tell me?
Yeah, my life just pretty much fell apart from there. I'm just started as well. I just got a job working for the post office, but I'm in training right now, so I just wanted to let you know that I was sort of working like cleaning houses, but that's not enough to pay my bills, but this job will be.
So. What's her balance at this point? Because February.
382109, 382109.
Have you gone to apply for assistance at all?
I asked Hawk and they said they could potentially help me if I at least pay like 800. But I feel like, they mentioned that to me before in the past and I brought it down like they told me and they did not help me. So
When was that though?
that was like last year.
Okay. So, and I mean, some of that may have been where they told you that they didn't, and then all of a sudden their funding went away. So it's not that they wouldn't do it, it's just they didn't have the funds there. When do you get paid from this job now? I mean,
With me being in training, I couldn't even tell you. Like, so yeah.
Can you move out this weekend?
If I was to do that, I was thinking next week, maybe. Oh, can I also just be transparent with you? I know my
Absolutely.
bill is looking kind of crazy and everything that I got going on. I'm also a little nervous to like accept time as well because, let's say you give me a certain amount of time and I'm still not caught up. I just would prefer to avoid eviction. Like if I have to move out, I'll gladly do that. I could be out next week, but I just really need to avoid the eviction if possible.
if you're out next week, where would you go?
That's another story. That I don't know, but that can be figured out. What I can't figure out is having eviction on my record for 7 years.
But you don't, right as we sit here now, you don't have a plan to how you're gonna be able to do that.
With my mom passing, my life fell apart. I have no idea that she was really all I had. So
And you just haven't gotten in touch at all with Hawk.
the call that I had with them, that was it. They was like, maybe if you can at least pay 800 and
When was that?
that was like last week. I had talked to the landlord and that she had mentioned that to try again because I tried with Hawk before. She said try again. So that's what I
Did
did.
you try again or?
I had called, yeah, I called them.
Oh, that was the try again.
Yeah, that was, yeah.
All right.
Is Miss Amy online?
She is. And so here's what I'm gonna do, ma'am. You gotta have a plan in place. Right now, you don't. And what worries me is you're not sure what you're doing next,
I have, no,
right?
correct.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn it. I'm gonna give you one more week to try to see what we can get through. So the 27th, 2026 at 2 p.m. That's an in-person hearing. But what I want you to do right now, I want you to go down to the clerk's office. Can you let them know that You're gonna go into one of our rooms, get on a computer there. They'll sign you into my meeting here. And then I'm gonna put you into a breakout room with Amy, the court liaison officer, and see what resources and other things are out there for you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep. Yep.
Do you have proof that you're employed by the post office?
Yes, I mean, I have my badge, that works.
Oh, okay, so, well,
Mhm.
okay, I'm just saying, they may, one of the things is gonna be, are you going to be able to sustain, if you stay there, are you gonna be able to sustain living there? And,
As far as like, for example, like if let's say I'm working towards knocking down my balance. For me, when I'm in like actually really start the after my training days are over, I will be in the post office. I know from there I can be back ahead, but
no, I got you, I understand what you're saying,
I just don't know as far as the plan of how to get caught up.
right, I know, that's why we're gonna try to figure that out, okay? So go down there, they'll be waiting for you, they'll put you on a computer, we'll put you into a breakout room with Amy.
Okay.
And then we'll see you next week at 2.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.